Yeah, people, so we come for talk about how Cardi B. Big up Shenseea and big up Russian. You see me send a message to them. Yeah, I don't know, before getting to the topic, people, subscribe, hit that notification bell right there, you see me? Yeah. Anyway, what really going on today, look like say Russian log on the live, Cardi B live, and she see say Russian dip on it and she just big him up and say, yo, I love how you deal the thing and I love how you bring your artist or you promote the artist, Shenseea. Yeah, people, so without too much talking, here's the video, people.
Motherfuckers always want, they're gonna talk shit regardless. What up, Russian? Russian, I want to say I'm very proud of you. I see how your artist Shenseea is blowing up. Her song is popping. And I hope that I really want her to know how you was campaigning for this girl. Like, you was one of the first people that told me about this girl, and she's doing so good. And I just want to say that I'm so proud of you, Russian. Like, you're such a good person, such a nice person, and things are coming out very well for you. So I just really wanted to let you know that. Hey, Russian.
So there you have it, people. Yeah, Cardi B I say, yo, she love what go on with Russian and what I do for Shenseea, is it, my people? And that is a good look for dancehall. Cause you know say Cardi B, I like the top artist right now in hip hop as female, isn't it? Talking about hot artists as female. Yeah, we have to talk about Spice and Rihanna. Yeah, so apparently Spice went to the BET Awards 2 days ago and she met up with Rihanna. They took a picture together and you can see the two of them right here, so you see me? And I would suppose Rihanna don't know about Spice already, you see me? Because she had the top lady in a dancehall right now. You see it? Yeah. So may I read what Spice I say about that picture here. So Spice I say, first of all, bad girl Riri. She tag Riri and said, touch me last night, okay? And second of all, M$11 was the one who took my picture, okay? So third of all, I don't care how it came out. I had to post it. You see me? And I know haters gonna say it's photoshopped. But you know, when the fans them see pictures like these, the fans them always want to know if a collab will come with it, you understand? But apparently it's just a link up, or just a meet and greet, so we don't know what might happen later down the line, but make a watch and see now. Yeah, people. And another topic we want to address, you know, people, you see how the heat are going in Jamaica right now. Them says around the world still, but may I tell you, people, it turn up in Jamaica, is it? Yeah, man, the star headlines. Hotter days are coming. Experts says extreme temperatures are now becoming normal. As you can see in another video, people, a brother I'm just wet up him roof because him feel like this is a method for solve the heat what go on right now. You see me cool down the place. And I believe it really working, because enough people in Jamaica must say do this thing here, but I never really have the need for do it, people. If you don't think it really work, comment down below, tell me your thoughts. Tell me if a madness him do or not. You see me? Yeah, people. So now watch a video for yourself. You have to find somewhere to cool on your house.
Come clad. Time at your fuck. Kupa me charge it. I cool man, I cool on your house, you know? Charge you, I cool on your house. Come clad. Red ball by one.